Hiya, I'd like to set you a challenge this morning and over for the next few days over the long weekend. I'd like you to have a look at the map of Linlithgow. I've been looking a lot at the map of Linlithgow over the last few weeks because I've been exploring Linlithgow a lot more than I have in the past. I've been exploring within the town, but also further afield out to the countryside. Here is a map of Linlithgow. And the map of Linlithgow, it tells us a lot. There's lots of different colours, there's lots of different lines on the map, and all of this tells us so much. If you look down here, this is the key, and the key tells us what all the different colours are. For example, tells us what the different lines are, and these are different blocks and things. For example, woodland is here. I can see that there's some woodland in this area on the map here. Also, there's the schools. The schools are in a light blue colour. I wonder if you can find Linlithgow Primary School. Could you find any of the other schools in the town as well? Your challenge is to have a go at designing your very own walk or cycle around some of the areas of Linlithgow or further afield. Now, this map is quite special because at the top it gives you a little bit of an idea about how long things take. For example, cycling, how long you could cycle in a steady cycle in 2 minutes. And this is for walking as well. This is how far you would walk in 5 minutes is that distance. Once you have found your house on the map, then you would think about where you would like to visit or where you would like to go and design a route. You might want to print off the map and then do it. So have fun doing the challenge and let me know how you got on.